Hello, let me tell you about this great new product. It is called dog food. No, not dog's food, but dog food. Here is the product. The all-new dog cutting knife. You must be tired of eating raw dog, but now you can eat dog in many different ways, such as mustard dog, ketchup dog, corn dog, chili dog, and relish dog. Or for the really daring, the live dog. The possibilities are endless. You can get your dog cutting knife for only $19.99. Please call 1-800-NOT-A-REAL number. And for only $9.99 more, we will include one dog.